All right, let's talk about working while they are studying.
So while you're studying on a full-time basis, you're allowed to work 24 hours off campus, but you need to check your study permit and look whether there are restrictions on your study permit. Sometimes people will get restrictions on their study permit, such as not allowed to work in healthcare or not allowed to work in childcare. And if you want to work in those fields, you do need to apply to amend your study permit to allow you to work there. Sometimes there's even mistakes on study permits which say that you are not allowed to work at all. And again, you need to get that amended if you're going to be allowed to work while you study. Getting your study permit amended does take some time, so it's best if you do that early so that you have lots and lots of time to start working during your studies.
So if you have a restriction on your study permit saying that you're not able to work in healthcare or with children, you want to do that, why would they have that restriction on there?
So IRCC has that restriction because they want people to do a medical exam before they start working in those fields, because it's working with often vulnerable populations. They don't want any healthcare or health risks to those people. So you may have to do a medical examination. You will have to do one if you want to get those terms amended on your study permit.